Oh hey, my new roommate. Good to see you, man.
Oh, thanks, dude. It's good to see you too. I think we'll get along just fine.
Yeah, hey, quick question. Are you a loud sleeper?
What?
Like, do you snore?
Nah, I don't snore. Don't worry about me.
Bro. Hey, bro. What are you doing? I thought you said you didn't snore. You're a liar, man. You're a liar. I'm trying to sleep here. Stop. Stop it. Oh, you know what? Whatever. I'll have to get used to it. Oh, dude, are you kidding me? Bro, you're not in a cartoon. No one snores like that in real life. Well, why don't you leave me in peace and shut up? No, you're not a dog. Stop it. Okay, that was the worst beatbox I have ever heard. And don't beatbox in your sleep. If I see you with my wife ever again, I'm gonna... Dude, stop! Huh? Hey, what's your problem? What's the problem? All this barking and yelling, beatboxing, honking? What are you doing? I'm trying to sleep. Oh, dude, I'm so sorry. It's just that this is a new place and everything is so different. I'm just nervous snoring. Nervous snoring? That's not even a real thing. Yes, it is. Learn about science, idiot. Subscribe! And join my Discord.